Welcome to part 3 in a series of videos showing how you can manage workflow in Onyx. In this video we will show you how to convert a job card to an invoice. First go to the Diary tab and locate the job card you are interested in. If the job is booked in for today, then you should see it in the diary, but you can also search for jobs by using the search screen in the top where you simply enter the vehicle registration. Onyx supports multiple users, and if you have reception staff, then you can use the status features to update the jobs as it processes through the workshop. There are several statuses and you can add your own as needed. The job is currently marked as appointment booked, but now the customer has brought the vehicle in, you can mark it as in progress, and you can add any additional notes that the customer might have made. The job is now marked as in progress. As the vehicle is worked on, the job can be updated either directly in Onyx or via the mobile app. In this example, the vehicle has now been repaired, so the mechanic opens the job card, updates the status, updates the mileage and adds any additional parts or labour they have used. The job can now be converted to an invoice or saved for another member of staff to convert later. In this example, we will convert directly to an invoice. Here you can double check everything is correct and then press Next, and you can then press Print and you will be asked if you wish to complete the document. Click Yes. You will then be asked if you want to make a payment. The invoice will now be shown on screen so that you can print or email it to the customer. We finally return to the diary, and now the job status is updated to completed and billed. Please subscribe and check out our other videos.